What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you here. If you're new on Felicitas Toili, please subscribe and press the bell icon to join us. So on today's video, I'm going to try out the Chloe Ting 20 days flat stomach challenge. So Chloe Ting is a fitness coach. She uploads workout videos on her YouTube channel and also offers free workout programs on her website. I'll have both of them linked down below. So I've watched a couple of videos of people have already tried out her challenges and they have amazing, interesting, shocking and impressive results. So I also got motivated to try out this particular challenge. I'm just going to show you the process and share the results at the end. So please stick around to see what happens.
Three, two, one.
Guys, welcome to day 5 and today is rest day.
Lady took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down, 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 down. She makes me crazy. Never promise anything but maybe. I let her do anything, let her play me. She makes me go another round, 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 round. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? That's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Lady took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down. Yeah. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you.
Hello guys, it's day 14 and it's rest day. So the exercises are really getting tough, but I'll just continue. Yeah.
down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down. Yeah. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? That's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me.
Day 28 and it's the last day. Let's finish this workout.